Welcome back to Tech Vibe Nexus. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for any YouTuber: using social media to promote your YouTube channel. Tips for gaining subscribers. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience and attract more subscribers. Let's explore some effective strategies. First, it's important to choose the right platforms. Not all social media channels are created equal, and different platforms cater to different audiences. For example, Instagram and TikTok are great for visual content, while Twitter is perfect for quick updates and engaging conversations. Identify where your target audience spends their time and focus your efforts there. Next, focus on creating engaging content tailored to each platform. Share snippets or highlights from your YouTube videos on Instagram stories or TikTok. Use eye-catching visuals and captions to grab attention. On Twitter, share interesting quotes or insights from your videos to spark discussions. The key is to create content that resonates with the platform's audience while promoting your YouTube channel. Don't underestimate the power of hashtags. Using relevant hashtags can help your content reach a broader audience. Research popular hashtags in your niche and include them in your posts. This will increase the chances of your content being discovered by users who are interested in similar topics, driving more traffic to your channel. Engagement is crucial. Make sure to interact with your audience on social media. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Building a relationship with your followers can lead to increased loyalty and more subscribers. When your audience feels connected to you, they're more likely to check out your YouTube channel and subscribe. Consider collaborating with influencers or other creators in your niche. Partnering with someone who has a similar audience can help you tap into their followers and gain new subscribers. You can create joint content, shout each other out, or even host giveaways together. Collaborations can significantly boost your visibility and attract new viewers to your channel. Finally, don't forget to promote your videos regularly. Whenever you upload a new video, share it across all your social media platforms. Create a buzz around your content by teasing upcoming videos or sharing behind-the-scenes footage. Consistent promotion keeps your audience informed and encourages them to check out your latest uploads. In conclusion, using social media effectively can greatly enhance your YouTube channel's visibility and help you gain subscribers. By choosing the right platforms, creating engaging content, using hashtags, engaging with your audience, collaborating with influencers, and promoting your videos regularly, you'll be well on your way to growing your subscriber base. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Vibe Nexus, and hit that notification bell for more tips and insights. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.